Welcome to Terminal 1!
I'm Teacher Irdina.
I'm Teacher Qinan.
And today we're
going to learn about aeroplanes!
Wow! Look at this aeroplane right there! Do you know any parts of the aeroplane?
That's right. Parts of the aeroplane include the cockpit, wings, flaps, fin, tailplane, cabin, and engine.
Did you know that besides transporting people from one country to another, aeroplanes also transport furniture, cars, and plants? And now you know. Okay, moving on to the next segment.
Wow, that is such a big area. At this space, you can do your activities with your mommy and daddy.
For this colouring activity, you can choose to colour according to the aeroplanes that you see, or you can create your own airline with your own colours. The next activity we have is called Airport Bingo. For example, when you see someone holding a passport, a baby in a pram, and an airplane, you can circle those. And when you have 3 across or 3 downwards, you can say Bingo!
Hope you have fun with mommy and daddy. See you back in school.